e-cigarettes, Lisa Echeverry. The affected population of e-cigarettes. According to the World Health Organization, tobacco use is the leading cause of preventable death, with nearly 6 million deaths per year and detrimental worldwide economic tolls. It is currently estimated that there are more than 1 billion smokers across the globe, with nearly 37 million of them in the United States alone. This not only includes minors along with adults, but affects individuals, communities, and the entire world. What's the impact to the community? In a one-year period, e-cigarette usage increased from 3.3% to 6.2% in adults in the United States. Additionally, there was an increase from 10% to 11.9% in American high school students during that same time frame. While many people, including minors, believe that smoking e-cigarettes is much safer than regular cigarettes, it has been found that there are still carcinogenic agents, to name nicotine just as one, that can cause significant health issues. Why does this need to be addressed? As previously mentioned, e-cigarettes contain many carcinogenic agents, and these agents are vaporized directly into the lungs. These agents include a mixture of nicotine, propylene glycol, glycerin, and flavoring agents. The flavoring agents contain a chemical called diacetyl, which causes a condition called popcorn lung. Popcorn lung can scar the air sacs in the lungs, and this disease causes symptoms that mimic chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, such as coughing and shortness of breath. What is the proposed policy? This proposed policy would have the government limit the accessibility of e-cigarettes to minors, and also a higher tax that would not only be a cost deterrent to minors, but adults as well. Education for the increased awareness to the possible dangers of the use of e-cigarettes would help make known these dangers through more communities. Additionally, when these restrictions and regulations begin to make the use of e-cigarettes decline, the ultimate change will be the long-term goal of better overall health and life expectancy for current tobacco and e-cigarette users. What are the impacts of this proposed policy? The impacts of implementing this policy are many, and most of them are very beneficial. The cost of educating the public, community by community, are minimal compared to the cost of treating the lifetime of health complications that accompany tobacco and e-cigarette use. Along those same lines, if the use of e-cigarettes decline, then the lifetime health cost of an individual will be minimal for any diseases related to this use. Additionally, there will be better overall health and life expectancy for those same individuals. There are no risks for implementation of the restriction of e-cigarette use. If successful, the benefit is great for individuals, communities, and public health. If not implemented, the risk is great for those same populations. In conclusion, implementing the restriction of e-cigarettes is beneficial to all political parties in that each party has vested interest in lowering the per-person health costs that affect overall nationwide health costs. This would be the political standpoint. The constituents who might oppose this viewpoint can be swayed by aligning the restriction of those cigarettes with fewer chronic diseases related to the use of tobacco products and e-cigarettes, such as COPD and those diseases that mimic it. The emphasis would be their continued improved health and an overall better quality of life.